and cosmetics. Literally. This tastes so nice. Wow, good morning everyone. Good morning. How are you guys doing? So today's what? Today is what? Sorry, I'm trying to think. Today's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and today I am with my friend at her place. I am visiting before I leave for school or for Cape Town. My lips are dry, so disgusting. Anyways, so yeah, today is very cloudy. I'll show you guys the weather. It's so cloudy. I don't know what we're gonna do today, but I'll vlog the whole day, even if we're just gonna sit in bed. And basically, when I drink coffee in the morning, it reminds me of when I'm at school. But anyways, I don't want to ramble into it. I'm just gonna get into the day vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. If you are a new subscriber, hey, what's up? I'm Salumilaka and I'm a YouTuber. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know what time it is. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna get on with the vlog, and basically thank you. Oh, shisha. Yeah. Show me. Page closed. So, Retlavon. Like, I'm not even. Yeah, Pick and Pay hat fold. Look. Okay. Okay, Chums, we'll check. Maybe the times haven't been updated.
I'm too late.
Oh, you take it when you come back. So right now, as we're going to Pick and Pay, like I said, and we're going to check if it's open because
I think it's open.
okay.
But no.
I don't know. Oh yeah, true, but it's just wine. Okay, catch you guys in the store.
I want it to open. No sign of it closing.
No sign at all.
You guys,
I don't know. Yeah. It's really nice. I don't know. Does it look okay? Okay. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Ish, I missed. What else? You have spices though. Ne?
yeah.
Okay.
I'm not really gonna use
Brown onion.
spices, yeah.
I usually buy these ones when I want to make. But our mint is so small. This is a lot. Both of them are chopped.
Oh wow.
Okay. Take it to salad. Listen. Okay. Let's go. Oh, look, okay. Show me where's salt. Did you pour salt? Show me you pour it. Ooh, that looks yummy. Oh, Chubby, it's 200 right?
Wait.
Huh?
Wait.
I don't. What's special stuff? Yeah, right. But I really think it's not 200 rand, Jomi. I think he doesn't know. He's just saying 200 rand. Yeah, and obviously we also know that it's obviously 100 rand is max the cheapest you can get it. If it's more, it's probably like 100 and something. Yo, guys, when you go, why Kesana a few minutes ago? Why is he? Do you think I should put it in the microwave for the cheese to melt?
I don't know. I'm not
Go on, Nachum. Guys, I don't know how this quality thing is gonna come out, eh?
I really enjoy it.
But you mean your boobs are right? Is it right?
Yeah, but like it's short like this, I have to wear.
Oh, you wear it? This hookah is nice. Their mix is really nice. Yes, I have one here.
Yeah,
Oh,
I have like, because my dad had, so it made sense that, like, the kukutunyan.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't like them. It makes it look like I have dog marks,
yeah.
but I don't.
They're beauty spots.
Yeah. But these ones are called differently. They're not like the normal ones that I have.
And they 3D.
Yes. Yes.
Kiduku. Loads. I have one here. But they're so disgusting sometimes. I don't know what to they 3D and declared.
My dad had, but not a lot.
I just have
My
like
mom even has though, but like just one.
I have like beauty spots on my neck. I have them like all over my body actually. Look. Guys, later quality time. That's what Livon and I
Today or not?
today at least, but then like literally this was real quality time. Like we were literally together all the time in bed. Like quality time on 100. Literally. My headache is real. My headache is so real. No, it's not actually that bad, but it's there. Oh. But I have a headache. And so yeah. But that shit won't leave right now because I'm drinking water. It's not severe, so alright, mate. Let's see if we can do this transferring and uploading thing. Vibes, so now I can upload this vlog. Yeah, I can upload this vlog and then yeah, motherfucker. Okay, so it's the end of my vlog, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you guys for tuning in. What am I doing? Thank you guys for tuning in and watching my vlog. Oh my